Okay, so as it is, I wanted to do another little vlog on the walk back one. There's a few things I wanted to mention. I forgot to mention in the other one, but I'm going to share them here, and then this one will be after the other one as well too. Okay, so for information, um, of the St. Patrick's wine will be opening outside. That way, it looks nice and green, and looks it has more earth tones, and it looks very nice. And that's probably a reason why I can't wait a bit more, so that way you guys can get to see the greens, browns, and other to make it look very nice and beautiful for that as well too. Because like St. Patrick's, usually you don't get like that during the winter. Winter is winter March, and it's really hard to like have colors that just jump out like that. So I decided to wait a little bit so we get down to this, so that way you guys can get to see the earth tones, the greens, as that as well too. As besides as for the summer tricks videos, we'll also have a nice beautiful outlay as well too. Let alone we'll be doing is our Egyptian magic tricks as well too. I got some cool ones in the lineup for when the time comes. And that also wanted to mention is that when we get to other film series, we'll be doing other little amazing things as well too. And I tried one trick already. I might do a little trick preview trailer for a Halloween one on the spooky haunted pumpkin. That one I was just trying out and got great results. And I'm like, that'd be a cool one to put into our Halloween tricks videos for this year when it comes around. So I want to share that with you as well too. This is all in and just handing back on some of the information that I mistakenly forgot to say in the other one. But the other one was mainly focused on the trick videos happening now and what we're going to be doing, as well as just showing you on what has changed or at the skate park as well too. So just wanted to do the one here, a little vlog on the walk back, and we'll bring it to a close pretty soon here. Again, this is just stuff for the information that I have forgotten to mention in the other one. We got a car coming into view, just right there, nice green car, and yeah, and we might do some for summer trick videos on the other side of my place as well too. I'll show you that too, as well as another location, let alone some other locations. I'm gonna show you some other locations that I'll be as well too for the summer trick videos, so for Canada Day as well too. So you can hear the crickets. dripping away. But yeah, I'll show you some spots where we'll do some St. Patrick's openings as well too. That I've never actually officially done. I'm showing you the locations where I'll be opening up for St. Patrick's tricks. I'm gonna try aim for kind of the slight evening when the sun is out. Then so that way you can see that too. Okay, so we're coming up to our spot of we'll be opening up for. I'll show you where exactly that have in mind of an opening, and that's just like right up here. Like, look, it has the greens, it has the browns. There's no snow, so we don't have a white ground, but a green ground. I'll show you what I mean about the colors. You get to see we got the greens right here. We got that showing, which is good. We got the bushes there. We got the nice brown fence. We got the tree over here. How about I like to open? I'll show you where I'm most likely to open. Like, either it's like from about here, or about here, going in that direction there, and or I'll park my tripod maybe over here, so that way it'll look on from about either here, there, or tucked in way over here. We could possibly is make our way down here. That way we can get this in as well too, and open up there. I'll take you to the back side as well too, not to here, but the other doorway there. So we'll probably open up over here too, besides this over here. I'll show you the other spot where we'll be doing like Canada stuff, day tricks, as well as for St. Patrick stuff as well too. And we'll just work our way to here. Interesting statue. So found some kind of interesting from over here. We'll I'll take you to the next spot. And that's just coming up over here. You get to see the ground. Hopefully the flowers will bloom. Like, doesn't this look nice? So we'd be like, maybe opening up maybe from over here for St. Patrick's, because it looks really nice. Just how it looks. From over here, and especially here maybe, or in the gazebo, which almost looks like a Celtic hut of some sort. Again, you get to see the nice greens, earth tones, and browns. We might do some tricks outside. For as well too. It all depends. But so far it looks like it's like mainly inside, but we will open up outside and inside. Do you hear that? Frogs! I'll be quiet for a bit. Can hear them sing. Where are they? Over there. Wow. Who knows? We might just go down there too. Down, take it around. Let me quiet so they hear them chirping. Those are frogs. Probably in that pond right there. You can actually walk there a little too. Let's go take a look at that pond. It's just me walking down. Wow. Is there like a creek? We got a creek here. There's the grid. Wow. Do not know what that is. Take a look. Whoa. This is the falls. Right there. Oh, do you hear that? Shh. Where are ya? They're probably hiding. Wow. Do you hear that? What is that? Huh. Wow. I'll be quiet. Who knows where they are? We hear about commotion over here. Wow. They're probably hiding just under here. Can't really see them, but you can hear them though. Wow. The creaking pond. The enchanted creaking pond. Let's take a look up. Bright moon. That's the moon. They're really talkative too. Wow. Did you hear that? They're like talking with each other. Let's take a look out here. Be careful though. Dead quiet now. Wow. That's something. I think they know that I'm filming them. Wow. I'll even show you the boxes that I have already. So this is just like more of another vlog kind of here too, but at least it like gives more of a background. Oh, what we're gonna do for St. Patrick's as well too. Let alone the talkative frogs. Interesting. This is gonna go on here as well as on my TikTok channel as well too. So, gonna wave. That was pretty cute. Okay, let's make our way out, and then I'll show you the next spot of opening will be for St. Patrick's, as well as for either maybe a Summer Hills. But yeah, we'll just walk the way out right now. We'll just go through here. Wow. That was something. Those frogs were really talkative. The whole creek was like chirping. Wow. I never got that on video until now. So great opportunity for this one. Very blessed it is. Hearing them ribbit, and talk in frog talk. Anyways, let's make our way in, and I'll show you the other side where we'll do some other opening as well too, and I'll show you the boxes as well too. In the same process. Anyways, you can hear more frogs are talking. More we get out over here. Wow. And that's just from the pond right there. Oh wait, I gotta take a picture of my shadow with this. Shadow and the scenery. I like that. Let's get that into view. Good. I'll get my shadow in there a little bit more. There we go. Now they're talking. And this is way over there. Wow. So yeah, we'll be doing stuff over here. And now I'm gonna head inside. And I'll see you on the other side. And then I'll see you back inside so you can see the boxes what I have already done so far. And here I am back here. Sweet. Okay. Yeah, so here I am back here. And so here we'll be doing some stuff over here. I know it's kind of dark now. Hope you can see well. We'll be doing like, I'll zoom in, like a little bit more brighter. Yeah, we'll be doing stuff over here. I'll check. Here you can see it's all the browns and the greens, like I said, from over here. Whoops. There we go. But yeah, we'll open up over here, and so that's mainly it for over here. I'll see you back inside, so you can see the boxes that I have now. So here is gonna be like for decorations. Here is the book right here, and that says St. Patrick's trick videos. Even says there are video 6 and 23 tricks. I'll show you inside. Here's there. So here it's not even written in. You can see here's video 1. Here's the ones here from 1 all the way down to the bottom there. And to here all up to 23. And I know it says St. Patrick's onto it, but we're branching. We're actually doing a different kind of thing onto it. The folder is just right here. So here's a folder for it. The outfits are inside here. They just need to get made and put together to go with the tricks. I have a box just right here that needs to get going into get formulated into a video. So here's box right here already in bags, all ready. Here are the other boxes. We got this box here that has stuff up to the top of here, as you can see, and we got over here. They're all counted and right for only 6 videos only. Let's go say hi to Mr. Cutie. Hey, you. Hey, kitty. Hey, Mr. Cutie. Hi. He might pop in time by time. Here I am, just over here into the mirror over here. And yeah, so that's what I have still yet to do. But once it's done, boom, we'll get it together and get out and set in the directions. You can see all the tricks and magic for St. Patrick's as well too. There, we done a little bit more in this video. If I was going to be a little bit more shorter, but this one here goes beyond, showing you some locations we'll be opening up for St. Patrick's, some for summer as well too. And then we went to the pond that had it mysteriously sing a pond full of frogs. We didn't see the frogs, but we heard them. They're very talkative, and they kept on ribbiting, which is
Ribbit, 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 as frogs like to say. So we've heard that in the pond there. We took a look at it. We took a look at the moon, and we took a look at a few other little things. And then we came into here. We looked outside the other, and then over here. So I looked to Mr. Cutie, and now I'm here as well too. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you very shortly soon for our St. Patrick's trick video. So, Miss Reese, peace, much love and blessings.